Assalamualaikum class, my name is Rafi Amir and today I am here to present on topic environmental pollution. The subtopics which I have to cover in environmental pollutions are introduction, types of environmental pollution, causes, effects and its remedies to control environment. First thing which I have to describe you is that environmental pollution definition, that we have to understand what is environmental pollution. So environmental pollution is the contamination of physical and biological components of earth system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. It means that the atmosphere in physical and biological components are being affected. It means that physical components include abiotic factors, soil, air, temperature, biological, human beings, animals, living organisms, which are being affected due to such conditions, due to such extent that the normal environmental conditions being disturbed, and it will also disturb physical and biological components. What are the types of environmental pollution? वैसे तो मेजर माइनर बहुत सारी हैं, बट मेजर जो है वो एयर, वाटर, सॉइल एंड नॉइस पोल्यूशन है. यहाँ गिवन फिगर में आपको इसकी परसेंटेज भी क्लियर हो रही होगी कि एयर पोल्यूशन 73.8% है एनवायरनमेंट में, वाटर 55.2%, soil 6%, noise 63% and others 2%, which I have not discussed here. So what is air pollution? As we all know that we inhale air. If our air get contaminated, it means that we inhale bad air, and this air is being affected due to human activities such as burning of wood, coal and different activities which affect on our respiratory system. And it also leads to the raise in temperature of earth atmosphere, which causes global warming, and if carbon dioxide concentration increase, it will leads to global warming, and carbon dioxide concentration is increased due to burning of coal, wood and etc. Second one is the water pollutions. We depend on water, we survive on the basis of water. Water is the basic source of our life. If water get contaminated, that we also get diseases. And how water pollution is being created? It means that contamination of water bodies, and water bodies include lake, river, aquifers, reservoirs and groundwater. If these get contaminated, it will affect on human beings and also on aquatic life. And soil pollution. Soil pollution, it means that the addition of toxic chemicals in the soil which affect on fertility of soil, which affect on crops and which affect on the plants which have been grown from the soil. It will also bad for the plants, and plants that we have eaten is also grow in that soil and we also affected by it. It is typically caused by industrial activities. Industrial disposal become the reason of soil pollution. Agriculture chemicals, we use such fertilizers which have or which contain toxic substance or toxic chemicals. Next is noise pollution. Noise pollution is the major cause of environmental pollution. We face a lot of noise in our nearby areas, in rushy places. Silent environment always give us a comfort look, but if we are in harsh, if we are in noisy environment, we get depressed, we get anxiety, we get headache. Any unwanted or disturbing sound which is unpleasant to your ear, which disturb your mental health, which disturb your body function is known as noise, and it is the worldwide मेनली कास्ट, जो कि आपके पास मशीन, हैवी मशीनरी, ट्रांसपोर्ट और लाउड म्यूजिक और डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स की वजह से हो रहा है. In the given picture you can clearly see all the four pollution types: rain deposition, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. What are the causes of environmental pollution? How are get affected, and what are the reasons that our earth gets polluted day by day? It's the burning of fossil fuels. We burn a lot of fossil fuels. We burn paper, wood, etc. Industrial emission. We dispose of extra industrial waste in our environment. Indoor air pollution, wildfires. हमारे एरिया में ज़रा सा कुछ ना कुछ हालात ख़राब हो रहे हैं. We are supposed to burn out the paper, supposed to burn out the tires and etc. Microbial decaying process, transportation, open burning of garbage waste, agriculture activities, use of products. इफेक्ट्स एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन. एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन जो अफेक्ट करती है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को, वो सबसे ज़्यादा हार्ट अटैक, रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर, रिप्रोडक्टिव डिसऑर्डर्स. As we all know that there is a ozone layer which protect us from the UV rays, which are very harsh to us. Due to environmental pollution, this ozone layer get depleted. Ozone layer has ozone holes which allow UV rays to pass out from sun to the earth. When UV rays are reached at earth, it will directly hit on skin and cause skin cancer. It causes skin cancer. And environmental pollution causes asthma and different it also disturb aquatic environment, aquatic life. Oxygen didn't reach to the aquatic environment, fishes, whales, and the living organisms which are live underwater. How can we control environmental pollution? It's our responsibility to clean our environment. We should have to dispose toxic chemicals properly. We should do not pour fat and grease on the drains, or we should improve our drainage system. Public transport use की जाए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. We should have to walk on our legs instead of our own vehicles. We have to protect it. We have to avoid from it. We should must turn off our engine when we are going to bakery or any shop. We should turn off lights when they are not in use. We should dispose proper garbage. We should switch electric or hand power lawn equipment. We should use less energy, and we should not burn out our garbage or waste products. It will also pollute our environment. This is all about my presentation, and at the end of my presentation I want to say that we all are responsible for this. We must have look at our environment. We must do things for create a friendly environment. We must do plantations. Plantation is the best way to make your environment pollution free. So hope all of you will understand. If you have any query, you will ask. Thank you.